What's up, everybody? Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Got a real treat for y'all here. 1967 Malibu. Super nice car. Powered by a 350 trans, sitting on American racing wheels, stopping with four-wheel slotted disc brakes all the way around. It's got suspension. It's been totally upgraded. The body is in great shape. Look at the stance. I mean, it just sits the way it should. It's real aggressive, drives out phenomenal. I forgot to tell y'all, it is a sniper fuel injection system on here. Look at this. Let me close that trunk real quick. While I'm here, take a look. There you go. Car cover. Clean. Look at this. Come on now. It's one of the cleanest ones that have come in a long time. Body is super straight. I found one flaw. The paint is great. Chrome front bumpers and grille are in great shape. All your lights are working the way they should. Look at how it lines up. All the way down. All your glass around the car is in excellent condition. Look at the fender to the door. Lines up perfect. All the way through the bottom. Quarter to the door, all your chrome, weather stripping, all your gauges are working, which are upgraded. We'll go inside, we'll take a look at that. No flaws whatsoever in the paint. Rear chrome bumper, rear glass is good. Nice car. Clean underneath. Trunk lines up beautiful. Roof line good. All your chrome, sport mirror on passenger side, nice option. Rear quarter good, and I mean real good. Lines up awesome all the way through the car. Here's the one little thing I found. It took a couple of us to find it. I did find one little door ding. It's right here, right under the mirror. It's hard to see, but I found it. That's it. What a car. Look how beautiful. 6x9s in the back. All your seat belts intact. Look how nice. Fresh. Sun visors intact. Come on now, look at this. Let's take a look underneath her skirt. Bam! How's that for you? I'll get some pictures on the rack, put them online. There'll be over 100 photos. Look at how nice it is. Nice. Clean. Look at that. Dash is great. 3-speed automatic transmission. SS gauges. Aftermarket dash I'm showing you right now, which is beautiful. All your carpet is good. Aftermarket radio. Sniper fuel injection. Nice wood wheel. Hang on, I'm gonna open the hood. Real clean under here. Look at how nice this is. Power brakes, power steering, headers, nice exhaust, dual exhaust on here. Everything fresh. Fired up. $529 miles. All your gauges are working. Fresh, fresh, fresh. What a beautiful car. It's really enjoyable to do this car. If you're looking to do some financing with us and you're anywhere from a 639 to a 739, go directly to our website, mgmclassiccars.com. Find the car, hit apply now, 10% down minimum, up to 84 months. If you're a 740 and above, please go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Fill out the loan. It usually takes about 24 hours for approval, sometimes no money down, as far as 84 months financing as well. We have over 100 cars in stock ready for immediate delivery. All my descriptions, pricing, photos, and video are online as well. We ship all over the United States, enclosed and open. If you have any questions on any of our cars or on any of our shipping quotes, please text me or call me at 773-600-0919. Again, my name is Earl. That's 773-600-0919. We are located in Addison, Illinois, 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. Open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday from 10 to 2 by appointment only. You can reach me by getting an appointment at 773-600-0919. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me on this beautiful 1967 Malibu. It's all done, turnkey, ready to come home with you. Talk to you all soon.